See these butchers right here. Wow, looks beautiful for tonight. Today we are wrapping a pig, and on the bottom of the pig we have banana leaf so the foil won't stick to the pig's skin. And we got para. The para makes the skin golden brown and very tasty. And we have some seasoning, some iodine seasoning, also make the skin very tasty. Underneath the banana is the foil, which helps to hold it all together, and last of all is the net, the mesh. That's how you do it. All around, head to toe. Pretty much covered. Yeah, from the front to the back. Even though it might take 20 to 25 minutes to wrap it up, but once it's on the table, it's 5 minutes is gone. Welted banana leaf, so nothing sticks to the skin. You can try and cover the whole thing. And it also keeps any of the dirt that might come from the stones or the rocks that go on top. Also helps to keep it all out and keeps the flavor in. P&A McGregory.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are folding in the foil. There's a couple of layers of foils there. We're trying our very best to keep all of the dust and things away from the pig. If you don't do it properly like this, you will not have a beautiful roasted pig. There you go. One's going over the top. You look clearly. The pig now is fully enclosed by the foil. And tying it together, and we have completely wrapped pig ready for the And waiting on the sides over there is the next one. As you can see, these are very skilled personnel. You're only allowed to reach stage 3 in pig wrapping before you can assist in doing this type of work. If you look in the background over there, there's two gentlemen doing nothing, just one is eating, one playing with the rocks.
The one in the yellow is too much eating.
Yeah. Now we are tying the mesh together. Keep it nice and tight so it doesn't unwrap when they lift it. And the ends are usually folded over so it doesn't catch on anything when you put it in the umu. And these are the types of things that you learn when you go and help people do their umus, and you pick up all these little techniques and ideas.
One down, one more.
One down and one more to go.
Taro umu down.
The man over here. Up.
This is pork rice, pork heart, pork liver.
Can you explain what you're doing there, my friend? Are these the leaves you get from the shop?
Yeah. The best leaf you'll find. Quantum.
Leaves for the umu.
Yep. Keep the steam in and heat.
Getting hot rocks out. There you go. All set.
Resin.
Time now, nearly 1:45. 5:30. They said it's the time to open the umu. 4 hours. Yep, that's how long we're gonna have the pigs in the umu for, and we'll have a look and see how they turn out later on.
Juice there, good more oil, guys. Hopefully that's a good sign. I'll show you when it's open. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. Poor pig. Woo. Banana leaf. Use so it won't stick foil, obviously, directly to the pig. It sticks. So we use the banana leaf. So the pig will be nice and clean. No foil. Look at that now. Look at that. Here. Right. Okay. Right, Rob? Yep. Right, next one. I think grab a saw. Come you can have a little peep. Woo.
You can hear that crackle.
We'll have to carry it over. Yes, got no room in the car.
Ôi một tuổi.
Sama.
Ai? Đây là cái nào có sáng bò mà ngã không?
Again.
Từ đây really far, là really far.
The two pigs that we did in the umu before, they're right here.
Two. One away.
This is for our branch pan. But here the men that put the pig in the oven, in the umu. I'm sorry.
So come get litty litty. No more da more hemisi. Tonight and I come and have a good time. Let your sinner unwind, come get litty litty. Just me and you, sweetie. Boy, honey, I feel fine, oh. Okay, I hope. So come get litty litty. No more da more hemisi. Tonight and I come and have a good time. Let your sinner unwind, come get litty litty. Just me and you, sweetie. Boy, honey, I feel fine, oh. Okay, I hope. Get litty. Get litty.
All of the pieces.
So come get litty litty. No more da more hemisi. Tonight and I come and have a good time. Let your sinner unwind, come get litty litty. Just me and you, sweetie. Boy, honey, I feel fine, oh. Okay, I hope. So come get litty litty. No more da more hemisi. Tonight and I come and have a good time. Let your sinner unwind, come get litty litty. Just me and you, sweetie. Boy, honey, I feel fine, oh. Okay, I hope. Get litty. Get litty.
Check that out.
So come get litty litty. No more da more hemisi. Tonight and I come and have a good time. Let your sinner unwind, come get litty litty. Just me and you,